Yes, you can fix a flooded electric car by covering it in rice. Oh, I heard about this. Who was this? Who did this?
Rich Rebuilds.
Yeah, Rich Rebuilds. A lot of people were mentioning this to us on the show yesterday.
Yeah.
And then it's funny because we had the Tesla driving through the water yesterday as well.
Yeah, I should have added that.
And it's like a perfect segue into that. Now, did he buy the vehicle water damage or did he water damage it himself?
I believe he bought it.
Because you can get deals on it, right?
Yeah.
Better known by his moniker, Rich Rebuilds, internet personality has made a name for himself by ice swapping Teslas and advocating for right to repair. Yeah, he's got a great channel. Recently, Rich purchased a hurricane flood damaged Audi e-tron and is attempting to restore it to drivable condition. And that all starts with 4,200 pounds right. Man, some things can only happen because of YouTube. Like,
yeah,
just because you can justify it via YouTube video, you're like, all right, let's try this crazy experiment involving an actual real Audi e-tron. So the $110,000 car had just 2,600 miles on it when it was reported as a total loss. And he was able to get it for $56,000. But a quick look at the car shows why it was so cheap. Water stains can be seen from the seat backs and even on the window glass. Every indication of flood damage. So, of course, you would do what any of us would do. You would dunk it in 4,200 pounds of rice.
Yeah. I hope they had like a huge Ziploc bag as well for the car. That would be great.
Did I just say 4,200 pounds of rice? Is that what it said? That is it. 4,200 pounds of rice? What would that even cost? 4,000 pounds of rice.
Yeah.
I don't even buy that. I don't buy the groceries. I don't know how much.
Yeah. I mean, it's relatively cheap compared to.
What is like a 10-pound bag of rice?
Maybe $20, $30.
Okay, so 4,000 is still.
It's not nothing.
Dude. He actually paid more than if he just.
Yeah.
I don't think you want to eat that rice afterwards. All right, so how did he get it inside of the rice, or did he just pour the rice on it?
I think he made like a little wooden box.
Oh, there you go.
Just poured the rice.
Wow. Just suck that moisture out of there.
Yeah.
So did it work? Look at that title.
No.
It says it worked right there.
It kind of worked, I think. I didn't watch the whole video.
Yeah, I presume, it's definitely going to work in the sense that it's going to extract remaining moisture, but there's probably still some repairs that are going to have to be done to it. The car not only powered on, here we go. The car not only powered on, but also began to move under its own power, albeit with every fault code known to man displayed on the dashboard. But hey, that's progress, right? It's all but impossible to verify that the rice helped in this case, especially since salt water tends to corrode electronics almost instantly when it comes into contact with the circuitry. Either way, there's still a lot of work to be done. Well, now you have a whole content segment. You have a whole series going on.
Will it rice?
Yeah, and so there's like a little bit, you hedge. There's some, even if you end up going out of pocket trying to make it work, you got this video series that everyone's intrigued by and get some revenue back, and good luck to Rich and the whole project.
Yeah, and it's a lot of work, so good on him.
It looked like he got jasmine rice there as well. I wonder if the type of rice...
more effective?
I wonder if the type of rice has any effect.
Yeah.